Choosing the right container is crucial for the success and safety of your candle making project or business. Here's all you need to know about containers for candle making. The most important thing to consider while selecting the container is that it should be fireproof and heat resistant. If you're making aroma candles, then a container with a lid is essential. Here is a list of some ideal containers. Glass containers are popular because they allow you to showcase the color and texture of the wax and are available in various shapes and sizes. Glass jars also provide excellent heat resistance and stability during burning. Remember, the glass should be thick and smooth. Avoid using thin, delicate glass containers like wine glasses, drinking glasses, or glass vases. Avoid using a container if it has cracks or air bubbles in it. Metal containers like tin or aluminium are durable, portable, and often used for travel candles or as a more rustic packaging option. They're available in different finishes and are suitable for various candle types. The color, texture, and some of the imperfections of the wax like frosting and sweating would not be visible from outside, so it can be a better container option for beginners. Some drawbacks of using metal containers are that metal is a good conductor of heat, which means that the container's exterior may become hot during prolonged burning, possibly causing burns if touched. Consider providing clear care and safety instructions to customers to prevent accidents. Ceramic containers offer an elegant and decorative option for candle making. They come in various colors, finishes, and designs. They are heat resistant and can be reused and repurposed. Ceramic containers provide good heat distribution, contributing to more even burning of the candle and reducing the risk of tunneling. It has some disadvantages too. For example, ceramic containers are durable but fragile. They can be more expensive than some other options, impacting the overall production cost. Concrete containers offer a distinct and contemporary look that can set your candles apart from traditional options like glass or metal. They are heat resistant and can be reused or repurposed as planters. Concrete is a robust material, so it can withstand rough handling. Remember, concrete containers are porous, so you have to seal them using silicone sealant so that they don't absorb wax and fragrance oils. The downside is that concrete containers can be quite heavy, which may increase shipping costs. Now let's talk about molds. Molds in candle making are used to give specific shape and form to melted wax. Molds can be made of different materials like metal, rubber, and plastic. Out of all these candle molds, silicone molds are highly versatile and widely used in candle making. They are flexible, making it easy to release the finished candle. Silicone molds come in various shapes, including intricate designs and novelty shapes. They are excellent for creating custom shaped candles and are ideal for hobbyists and crafters. If you are a hobbyist, you can find a lot of free containers and molds in your home, like tin cans, mason jars, teacups, and terracotta pots. We have talked enough about tools and materials. Now let's move on to the next module and make actual candles.